I'm gonna show you why airplane mode is a scam and you should never use it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm switching my phone to airplane mode. Now
Sure.
watch this.
Why'd you throw it? What?
See? It didn't fly.
Yo, what's going on, everybody, man? It's your boy Dave. Today I'm bringing y'all another reaction video, and the video is called TikTok Try Not to Laugh Challenge Impossible. Part 2. Y'all new to the channel, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, you comment, subscribe. That being said, make sure y'all leave enough likes, because whatever this is, that's where I'm trying to go visit. Not saying I can't do it with my job money, I'm just saying it'll be a lot more easier with YouTube money. You know what I'm saying? I also, I ain't gonna say that. But leave a like, comment, share with your friends and family. Let's go hop directly into the video.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Top Things.
You know not your engine finna be flooded out. That's somebody's daughter, ain't it?
Nice. His family and their lawyers say they never received a copy of the
Why you gonna put water on the dog balls? He feels so violated.
Yep.
Hey, bro, if I ever get out.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! Ah, is it over? Take it out! Take it out! Oh God! I'm done!
No, dog.
This lady took the airplane mode on her phone quite literally.
Today, I'm gonna show you why airplane mode is a scam and you should never use it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm switching my phone to airplane mode. Now
Sure.
watch this.
Why'd you throw it? What?
See? It didn't fly.
I'm getting about sick and tired of y'all, man. He knows some demonic mess going on in that house. That's what it is. He does this when the phone rings now. What he do? Turn out then. How we laughed already? I don't even remember. You just gonna smack your brother in the head. Why, when he kicked the chair, he just knew, like, it's over with, I'm going to die?
This sits on a 14-acre lot. This floor alone.
First of all, she should have known good doggone well that was too much mist to be coming out for water. That's that COVID. You better go get out of there. I don't like how this going. Hey, man, don't do that. I don't.
These Chinese kids are using their fingers to carry out complicated mathematical equations, and this man gives this method a try.
I know that for a fact y'all hands go.
Oh my gosh, babe, there's something on you. Oh my gosh, turn around, turn around, turn around.
What?
Oh my gosh, don't
What?
move.
What?
We need to call the police.
What?
They stole your ass.
She's so hurt. Dr. Miami, you need to get a new visitor.
Oh shit, bro. Ooh. Oh, it hurts.
I'm finna say, why are you recording your kids in their nose like that? That is so disgusting, but that's a filter.
So there's a challenge. You walk down the stairs, you skip a step with this thingy. You gotta look.
Imagine trying to walk down them stairs with that filter while drunk.
All right, so I'm on.
You might well go and have the ambulance standing right there.
Shit.
I never needed you like I do right now. I never hated you like I do right now.
This is how
Lean
even
like
a
a
small
cholo.
piece of eggshell feels like.
What in the... What are you doing?
Man, she don't know the difference. Let him do. Yeah, man, clap it up, man. They gonna clap it up for you. The only man one sleep in the class. He in the club, he turned.
A lot of people aspire to be great skaters.
I wouldn't drink that if I was
most
you.
of us end up like this man.
You're gonna wake up with a missing kidney.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago.
You just know his neck done, folks. Look at his neck.
Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
What challenge is this? Son didn't even move and he hit him.
Oh my.
Is this a case of racism or just a pure coincidence?
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see everybody? Now look at mine.
What that black man doing with that many white folks? Now I'm not trying to, like I said, I'm just curious, because usually, you know, don't even act like people of the same color don't act like you hang around together. That's the only thing I want to know about. And why is he sucking on this cat? On this cat? Oh my goodness! Why is he sucking on this cow? Test? There ain't no test. On his udder. Is milk coming out? Oh, I'm finna throw up. Cause it ain't pasteurized or nothing. He's drinking straight raw titty milk.
I'm over there. Huh?
That's gonna make for some good bacon when you get done with him. He gonna be very trained. I know that bacon gonna be hidden.
What are you doing?
But you don't even have any hair.
Oh.
He knew he ain't had no hair from the start off. I guess that just don't bother him.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know,
but not more but beautiful than you.
Better beautiful than you.
That horse really said, "What's poppin'?" Brand new whip just hopped in. Don't be trying to grab on me. You falling backwards. You gonna take both of us down. It took him that long to realize they failed.
Off tables for no reason, but when you ask them to do it, they refuse.
Wow. No, I don't want that bacon. That bacon gonna have a lot of fat on it. I don't want that. You eat pork? Yep. Why you eat pork? Don't matter. You don't want to give it here. I take it very proudly. That's y'all missing out. Bacon and sausage about the only pork I eat. Nah, I lied. I eat pork chops. Neck bones. Y'all don't eat neck bones? God! But let's go back to the y'all don't eat neck bones. Y'all missing out, man. Good eating. Get you some neck bones, man. Some mashed potatoes. And some sweet potatoes, or you call them yams. Or something like that. I used to eat it with greens and cornbread. Used to set it right on off, man. What's she crying for?
I really just want to scare people. Somebody will probably call.
When I was that age, I was giving doctor shots, but I'm just built different, so.
I have absolutely no problem drinking water.
You out here flipping balls and then dropping balls and flipping water bottles. What the stimulus at?
Look, I did it. We
don't care. Send the stimulus. Send the stimulus. I done seen this scene before on a different site. A different actor.
It's all games and fun until you drop a $1,000 phone on concrete from up high.
Ooh. Ooh.
First of all, that phone's not $1,000 anymore. That's like iPhone 8. What's up with?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder, what is
going on in their head? That's me as a father. I remember when I used to do that before.
2 for $6 every day.
We have no meat. Hey, Arby's should start selling hot dogs, and they should come on there. We have the glizzies. I'm trying to tell you, bro. That's gonna be a hit. That's gonna be a hit. Did you just snort? I feel the same way, dog. I bet y'all won't get on no psychedelics and walk on that bridge. Bet y'all won't.
If you spill the food, you have to pick it up too. I am not gonna be feeding you if you're not picking it up too.
He's so over it.
Drop you have to put in there. What'd you do?
This box clearly doesn't want to get delivered anytime soon.
Let's go. We're still gonna record the box instead of going. That's why y'all packages, y'all be getting y'all stuff, it be busted open and all that. They see that package in distress, and what they do?
Watch the lemon.
How'd you? Where are the lemons?
That man is so flabbergasted. Hey man, when life give you lemons, make it disappear in no cup.
Trick.
Go on get dizzy. Go on get dizzy. Y'all, you ever get dizzy on purpose? Hey, pause this video and spin around your room until your mama come around. And when they ask, you better not poke his booty.
If you enjoyed the video, click one of the videos on screen.
That's in this video. If y'all like it, enjoyed anything of that nature, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, you comment, subscribe. With that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all later.